my lovely arty friends. Today we're using coral pink, mauve taupe. We've also got rose beige, ecru beige, sorry, and a mauve there. And these are out of the KURETAKE range, the Art Nouveau range. And I've got a cold press watercolour paper all taped down, and we are just going to add some colour onto the page. Being very random, I've got a medium-sized brush and sloshing that paint onto the page here and there and letting the paint merge into one another. So not letting the sections dry, just letting the colours merge. Making sure that we've filled up all of the paper there. So just filling up with this lovely lemony kind of colour, and then just adding some more on top while it's a little bit damp, and then it sort of spreads and it just leaves an interesting texture there. So you're going to need to let the page dry, and once it's dry we are going to grab some Posca pens, very similar colours to what we've already used, and we are just going to mark make on top. So I've used a lovely pink Posca pen, and then I've added a bit of an orange pen there, and then I've grabbed a fine liner, black fine liner, and I'm just outlining what I've done because I want to make it quite bold, this picture, because all of the colours are very muted and the colours that we're using, the Posca pens, are muted as well. We want to make them pop, and if you add a black line to this mark making, it will just give it that little bit extra. So I've got an acrylic pen here, black acrylic Posca pen, and again I'm just adding some marks there. So they're all different sizes, the pens, so it just gives a little bit of interest. Adding some orange there and some yellow, just mark making over the top there. Really simple to do. I'm not really looking at the patterns that we've got under the page. I just thought, well, let's just go a little bit free and just mark make whatever pops into my head. Some of the patterns I do follow, but not all of them. Some of my videos that I've done previously, I've looked at the page and I have just followed what I can see. But this time I'm being a bit more freehand, just letting it flow out of me just to see what happens. So I'm adding this white Posca pen here, and that really, you can really see that against the bold background there, and it just adds a little bit of interest onto the page there, and then just outlining that black there, and that makes it pop. Black and white against each other really makes everything pop out of the page, and then adding some black dots. So this is where I'm actually using the pattern that we've already got there and just putting these little lines onto the page there. So I hope you like this. If you like this, please like, please subscribe, and please hype, and all of these things. Tell YouTube that you really like this video. So what YouTube will then do, it gathers all the data as people are watching and then makes a decision. Do people like this video or not? Shall we push it out to other people or not? So the more times you comment, like, hype, the more time that YouTube will push that video out to other people. And once it pushes it out to other people, it'll test it with that group of people and see whether they like it. So yeah, please like, hype, and subscribe if you like this video, and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. I love hearing about your art journeys, what you're up to, what the weather's like where you are, any information. I really like hearing from you, and I always come back to you. I don't think there's one comment that I haven't come back to. I always look, and I'm quite quick in responding. You might have a question, I'll try and answer it. I might not always be able to answer, but I will give it a go. You may just want to say hi, and I want to say hi back too. You might want to tell me about what you've been up to and the art that you're doing. And it's been really interesting hearing what people have been doing. You know, people are saying, oh, I've tried this, or Hayley, I did one of yours and it didn't work out, but then I did this and it did. And we have like a little discussion about how things have gone, and I love hearing that. You may say, well, I don't really watch your channel, I watch so and so, and that's the kind of art I like. I'd love to hear from you. So just continuing, you can see here I've put a lovely yellow on the page there, and I'm just outlining that yellow just to make that pop. And I've got an orange there in the middle there. So I've got a selection of pens. I've just chosen pens that are very similar to the background, but you may want to have a more vibrant kind of look. So you might want to go for opposites. Look at your colour wheel and then maybe look at the opposites and go, right, okay, I'm going to pick those colours. Yellow purple is a good one. Or you might want a more harmonious kind of picture, and this is what I've gone for, more harmonious, and we have got very similar colours, but utilising a bit of black just to make it pop just a little bit better. So just shadow gapping round the doodles there and adding that lovely colour. So I have got a members page, and there is a join button just below, and if you click into that join button, it will show you that you could be a supporter or a super supporter. And being a super supporter means that you get to see videos first, and you also get members only videos, so only members will see those videos, and that's if you subscribe to be a super supporter. If you have a click in there, it doesn't mean to say that you make that decision, that you signed up for it. It just means you can go and have a look and see whether it's something that you want to do. And you may want to, you may not want to, totally up to you. Obviously I would like you to be a super supporter, but that I would like you more to watch the videos and enjoy it and get something out of it, and hopefully do some paintings of your own. So continuing, adding some of those dark colours there. It looks a bit like candy, I think, there. Just adding these lovely little stripes onto the page there. And then I've decided that I'm going to outline the page. Love doing this. It really gives a nice bold border once you've outlined your page. So heating it up with my size X heating tool, pulling off that tape, and then I'm going to pull it up to the screen you can see there. So you can see the lovely doodles. Been really fun to do. Hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know. Do you want to see more of these videos or not? Would love to hear either way. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching, and see you again soon. All right then, bye.